What's up, everybody? We're working on Flex Learning Week 10. So hopefully you're watching the walkthrough here. This is it. This is the last week. So Friday, which would be finals, there's nothing in there because Friday and then the following Monday and Tuesday, I believe, is the 8th and 9th off the top of my head here. Those are supposed to be finals, but since we're not having finals, once you take the quiz on Thursday, you're done. That's it. So let's talk about what we're doing this week. Monday, we're taking notes on circuits. Feel free to retake or fix your quiz from Friday. You got notes here, PowerPoint screencast. It's about 10 minutes about electrical circuits. Tuesday, we're going over the circuits problems. And optionally, you can use this lab here to just build some different circuits and play around with multiple resistors or things of that nature. You'll understand more that day. No expectation there. There will be in Thursday a little review video that I have to put in here still. But then there's a circuits quiz, and that's it. And once you take that quiz, you're done. That's it. Thanks for being great students this year. That quiz is short just to reward all the hard work you've been doing over to digital learning. And that's it. So love you guys. I'll miss you, and hopefully I see you soon. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.